Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.
Number 21, Rider 42. An unsportsmanlike foul has been committed on number 7. Two technical free throws on number 17, Ocampo. Number 29, 2 points. For 2 points on number 15. That's number 29. And one player on number 29. Foul committed number. Basket count, foul committed number 3. Bonus feature on number 29, Gonzalez. Alley play on number 4. Two points on number 3. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Two points on number 17, Ocampo. Good for 2 on number 12. Foul has been whistled. Foul on number 1. Number 18, Mika Sanders. That's number 28, Gonzalez. 29 rather. Number 29, Gonzalez. That's number 4. 9 to shoot. The traveling turnover. Assistance blast basketball. basket on number 12. This is 31 5-point lead by the CDS. 10 to shoot. Ocampo, 2 points. Good ball 2 on number 17. Timeout Systems Plus. Score 40 for the CDS third round. Systems Plus. Lamang. Back to the ball game. Foul has been whistled. Foul on number 12. Blocking foul. Warning for penalty of Systems Plus. Dalawa ka na, number 12. Warning, ball penalty. Systems Plus. Miscommunication by the Systems Plus CDS basketball. Ten to shoot. Put back on number 18, Migos Santos. Five to shoot. 2 points on number 12. Gonzalez, ginagawa yung combo. Foul has been whistled. A technical foul. Technical yan. Foul. Technical foul on number 6 of CDS. 2 technical free throws on number 11. Ay, akap shooting pala yan. Mali ako. 2 free throws. Second shot on number 11. Ay, technical throw. Technical throw. Walang jumper yan. Technical throw. Nagkamali ako. Technical pitcher on number 6. Same position. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Put back on number 18. Last touch and assistance was CDS basketball. Shot clock rimming at 12 seconds. Basket on number 6. Back to the ball game. 42-38 into the score. This at the 14, number 7. 2 points on number 7. Rolling Religion turnovers, CDS basketball. 44-38. Anong pa rin ang CDS by number 5. Wala. Intercepted by number 5. One to reverse. Number 7. Number 6. Pumping of the ball. Violation yan. Timeout. CDS.
The past is the past, you know. It's a new day, bro. My day. You gotta do it now.
Back to the ball game. Score for 9-44 Warriors CDS, 38 Warriors Systems Plus. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Here's a trouble and violation. Turnover. Systems plus basketball. 2 minutes. Foul has been whistled. Shot clock remaining at 17 seconds. 17 seconds to shoot. 4-2. Number 6. Tatlo na lang ang lamang ng ZDS at 44-41. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 to shoot. Ten seconds on the shot clock. 5 to shoot. Is an offensive foul committed number 21. Dalawa na, number 21, Systems Plus, CDS. Systems Plus rather. The foul has been committed by number 21. Tatlo ka na, number 21. 18 for the CDS out. 18. Number 18, Miko Santos out. Two future zone number 6, Iko. Timeout, Systems Plus. Point zone number 6. Point zone number 11. Timeout has been requested by CDS. Isa na lang ang kalamangan at 46-45, 1 point lead by the CDS.
Took me from rags to riches. Let's go. Chill, 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 chill. When I was a kid, I used to go to the park and watch the ballers play, wishing that would be me one day. I was intrigued by their love.
Back to the ball game. 26 seconds. 26 seconds on the game clock. Seven. Five. Last touch on Systems Plus, same ball. Nice seconds to shoot. Shot clock is off. That's the end of our first set. Score po natin, 46 for your CDS, 45 for your Systems Plus, 1 point lead. Still for the CDS.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.